Now we will first close the reddit function. We'll close our expression. Now if we want to round by 2, so we just use the round function and apply comma and 2 and click it OK. Alright, so now our new measures has been created, total revenue. Now I will explain what is SumX and sum. Let's in Excel, I have created a dummy table product wise. Like for example, is have product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Product 1 have unit sold 10 and the price is 10. So if we use a sum formula will only calculate one column. Like for example, the sum formula is work like this. It will add this value. But the SumX is work in this way. It is work in a row wise attribute. It will first row wise, it will select P1 for product 1, take first unit sold amount, multiply with price, apply for all the products, and then use sum function. So now using a SumX function, it will give me the value this 1045 because the SumX is create a temporary memory which will store the data by row wise. Whatever the data will create, it will store it, and at last it will sum all the data and give me the aggregate sum value. This is the this value you can get using a SumX formula. So if you want to apply a sum formula, then you can get value from a one particular column, and if you want to use a multiple parameters, then you need to use a SumX formula.